rate us.
I see you walking down the halls and through my corridors, and through your peripheral you see a shadow through the door. Sweat drips down your face, feeling odd about this place. Knees are shaking, eyes are twitching, and your heart starts to race. And suddenly you see a monster in 2D. Mouth wide open, you're in pure shock. Oh, ready or not, here I come. Run, run, run away, my prey. You try to beat me in this rage, and if I catch you by the toe, then you'll be howling in my cage. Run, run, run away, my little mouse, and if you hesitate, I will eat you up with just one bite. You better get out of this place. Someone to interrupt my peace. I'll be the wolf that's waiting for my victim and my sheep. I see another prey, can't wait to have a taste. Extending limbs will cause you harm if you don't expect my game. You feel something strange, a hand with so much range. Arms outstretched, I'm on the hunt. Oh, ready or not, here I come. Run, run, run away, my prey. You try to beat me in this race, and if I catch you by the toe, then you'll be howling in my cage. Run, run, run away, my little mouse, and if you hesitate, I will eat you up with just one bite. You better get out of this place. Just one hand, nothing will go to waste. Run, run, run away before I beat you to this chase. You try to make it out alive, but now it is too late.
Big, bold, beady eyes, darkness, he defies thriller written. Drawn up with a pen, your life ends in just one moment. All that he will see, gazing through the trees, tune catastrophe. That's how the story goes. On your soul he depends. He fell into the bone right when those teeth descend. Break and bend, you can't even comprehend. Stars rising up, the cat tracks you down, down. In the night it finds the nearest shadow and then stalks without a sound. I can't keep going, can't keep running, can't stop sneezing. beady-eyed darkness, he defies thriller written, drawn up with a pen. Your life ends in just one moment. All that he will see gazing through the trees. Tune catastrophe. That's how the story goes. On your soul he depends. He fell into the bone right when those teeth descend. Break and bend. You can't even comprehend. That demon cat plays with my mind,
chasing us till the end of time.
running and running, but he's right behind.
Let's beat him to the 5 and dime.
With long sharp teeth it has, my dear.
But better to eat us with, I fear.
Maybe he needs the old litter box.
Well, I'm hoping that we see it in a couple blocks.
Orange kitten's supposed to be the most adorable things that you've ever seen. What a creature so benign, sends shivers down my spine.
You can tiptoe, run all you want. I'm on the prowl and I'm just being blunt. But you're looking delicious, you're looking nutritious. You're probably going to sleep with the fishes. Cartoon cat ain't the cartoon cat. I'm the one and the only. Imagine that the flavor of human is truly divine. Let's count down the seconds before you die. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Killer kitten, big bold beady eyes, darkness, he defies thriller written, drawn up with a pen. Your life ends in just one moment. All that he will see gazing through the trees. To catastrophe.
Well, the sun goes down and the evening comes and you're all alone in the darkness, hoping what you find is harmless and you're losing all your breath. Well, that old cat's gonna bite your head off and then you'll die so slowly. That escalated quickly, but you can't outrun your death. He's the cartoon cat, the one and only cartoon cat. Killing everybody, stop doing that. He's the one and only cartoon cat. Can you hear the danger? Run, run, away. He screams so loud and the cat meows. He's the size of one big human. Over your head